Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily restore your message icon on iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments after watching this video and leave your likes. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And if you are having the same problem as I am having right now, that you can't find a message on your iPhone work screen, what can you do about it? It's actually very easy to fix this situation. To do this, you will need to swipe down on the screen from top to bottom. Next, you will have a search box like this, where you have to type in the word message, or just start typing it in, and as you can see right at the top, this app comes up. Now to bring it up and add it to your home screen, you'll need to tap on it, hold it down, swipe down, and so, as you can see, you grab this app and you can drag it to any part of your screen. Drag it wherever you want it to go. And to change the save after adding the messages icon, just tap on an empty spot on the screen. As you can see, the messages are now added to your desktop screen and you can use them. This is the quick and very simple method to restore the message icon on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to write already comments and also put your likes under this video. Bye bye.